Hey YouTube, it's Kharyzma and this is a long overdue video. Today I'm going to be I guess unboxing and reviewing Get Suckered flavoring oil. For those of you who have cosmetics businesses, lip gloss businesses, you know you're going to need something to flavor your lip glosses. So I decided to try Get Suckered. I've been hearing so much about it and I'm finally getting a chance to do a review on it. I actually got this at least 6 to 8 weeks ago, but I've been so busy I haven't been able to do a review for you guys, so I'm gonna do a sort of unboxing and review for you guys now. And before we get into the video, I want to show you guys my clear lip gloss. As you all know, I have a lip gloss business and my name is Kharyzma and my business is Kharyzma4u, and this is the clear gloss in the wand tube. For those of you who don't like tints or colors, there's always a need for a clear lip gloss. If you wear lipstick, you can put it over your lipstick, or if you don't wear any colors and you just want something to moisturize your lips and let your lips look shiny and juicy and stuff like that, that's what's on my lips right now. So this is the squeeze tube. As you can see, I used a lot of it. I love my lip gloss, and so I'm gonna put it on so you guys can see. Yeah. See, it's really nice. It goes on smooth. It's not sticky at all. See? And it's a nice coat to your lips, and it is awesome. Thank you to those of you who have purchased. You guys are awesome, and I love you so much. You can get my lip glosses at Kharyzma4u.com. I also sell other things too, but please check out the website and follow me on Instagram, Kharyzma4u Fashion. That's my business Instagram, and also my newest Instagram is Kharyzma4u Style, where I show you different outfits that I wear, and it's sort of like a blogger type of Instagram page. And I'm also becoming an influencer now, helping to getting sponsored by other people to promote their products and stuff like that. So it would help a lot if you would go and support my style page, which is Kharyzma4u Style. So let's get into the video. Okay, so I ordered from Get Suckered, and this is the package that it came in, a bubble mailer. I'm trying to see if there's a date. So I ordered back in March, and I've only used one of them. I ordered 3 of theirs, and as you can see, these 2 are not open. This one is because I used it. So you'll get to see my reaction from these for the first time. This one, I smell this already, but okay. So I got the Caramel Mocha, and it comes in a 30 milliliter, I think it's 1 ounce, and it's pretty big, so it's really good, a good size. I don't remember the prices. I'm gonna look it up and put it in the description for you guys, but I've heard so much about it, and it's hard to open. I'm not good at opening things, guys. I always have to ask someone, like if there's a guy around who's stronger than me, like, can you open this thing? Because I don't like to mess up my nails, and it just be too much. Some things like you can't open, but okay, I got it. All right, so it comes with the dropper, so you can like do that. I don't want to get it all over me on my bed. Let me see. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells like you just walked into Starbucks. So if you guys like a coffee flavor, like for Mocha, yes, and yes. It is really strong, it is really potent, and I used it, I can't remember which one, I used it in one of my glosses in my Fall Vibes collection. I have a Coffee Vibes gloss, and I used it to give it a scent, and this is the one I used, which is perfect for it because Coffee Vibes, so it's coffee, mocha, caramel mocha. So this one is the one. So if you have any type of brown lip glosses and stuff like that, I would say try this one. It's a warm smell, and again, it smells like coffee. It smells like you just walked into a Starbucks, and yeah, so this one is really good. So now I should have got my scissors. I don't even remember the ones I ordered, honestly, because it's June. Today is Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there and to all the awesome father bros. I'm gonna have to get a pair of scissors. Hold on. Okay, I got the scissors. So yeah, open this up. So they definitely put the bubble wrap around it so that you know, they will be safe in transit, and we're in a bubble mailer. So okay, so this one is champagne. I'm gonna open up the other one now so that I don't have to go through all of this again, and then I can just smell them so you can see how they smell. This one is Strawnilla, so I guess it's a combination of strawberry and vanilla. I can smell it through this. It smells so good already. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's do the champagne, because I do have a gloss named Champagne, and I'm excited to try this in that gloss. Now let me see if I can get this open. Okay, it's not too bad. So let's see. So this is the champagne. It smells good. It smells like almost like an icy flavor. You know, like in the summertime when you get ices. I can't tell you like which icy it smells like, but it smells like an icy flavor. So it's like a fruity kind of flavor. It smells good though. It smells like a fruity icy. That's what it smells like. But I don't know what, maybe like a fruit punch or yeah, somewhere along a fruity type of smell. But it's good. Because I don't know, like, what does champagne smell like? Does champagne even have a smell? I guess it depends on the kind of champagne. But yeah, this is the champagne one, which is good. I love it. I'm definitely going to use it in my champagne lip gloss. Okay, so I have Strawnilla. Oh, okay. I had to see if I was still recording. I'm like, because I know I don't have a lot of time on my camera, because I still have like footage on there and I have to delete it, but I have to upload it to my computer first. All right, hold on. Okay, so the Strawnilla is a soft scent, so you smell the vanilla, and I smell the vanilla in it first, and then to me, like, the strawberry is very, very faint, which is good because I don't like my glosses to have like an overpowering scent. So this is good. I'm definitely, I don't know which of my glosses I'm gonna use it in, but I think this is a good one. It's a nice, soft, if you like vanilla, you'll definitely love this because the vanilla to me is overpowering the strawberry. So yeah, I like it. I really, really like it. It's really soft. I wouldn't mind actually using this in my clear gloss, because right now my clear gloss, I use a peppermint flavor. I wouldn't mind putting this as the scent for my clear gloss. So we'll see. I'm so happy that I got these because they're good sizes. And so these will last a good while. If you guys are thinking about trying Get Suckered, I would definitely recommend them. Now for the Caramel Mocha, I've already used this in one of my glosses and I really, really love it. I was putting on my gloss, the Coffee Vibes, and I kept putting it on because I love the smell. So a lot of people, if you love good smells, like, it makes you want to keep using it. So that's what I could say about this one. I may have to do a follow-up video on these two, but as far as this one, I really, really like it. Let me see. I think this one says, the Caramel Mocha says PG based. You can get the ones that are oil based and PG based. This one, Strawnilla, is oil based. You see that black dot right there is telling you. And for the champagne, it's oil based. I'm not sure what PG is. I will have to look that up, but when I look it up, I'll put it in the description bar. So guys, definitely check them out. Now, what I did realize with them was that I was trying to order 4 of them, but the shipping for some reason just was kind of too high. At first, I was just like, I don't think I'm gonna order. But then when I took one of them out, then I noticed the shipping went down lower. So I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna order 3, because I think shipping may have been like maybe like 5 something, but then for that 4th one it was really high, and I don't think I ordered using a discount code. I don't remember the discount code that I used, but when I find it, I'll put it in the description. If Get Suckered is watching and would like to sponsor a video, hit me up on my Instagram or my email, Kharyzma4u fashion. But yeah, so guys, definitely go check out getsuckered.com if you're looking for flavoring oils for your business. Yeah, that's it. I think it's really good because the sizes are really big, and they should last you a good while. The smell is potent, at least from the one that I tried. And yeah, so guys, again, check out getsuckered.com, and also go to my website, Kharyzma4u.com, for my lip glosses. I have so many to choose from. These are my clear glosses. They come in squeeze tube and wand tube. I also sell lip gloss supplies like squeeze tubes and wand tubes, pigments, starter kits, sets, all types of stuff. I have slippers on my site. Check out the slippers. Let me show you right now. These are my lavish slippers that can be found at Kharyzma4u.com. They are so comfortable and soft. You'll definitely love them. And that's it. Check me out at Kharyzma4u.com. Follow me on Instagram, Kharyzma4u fashion, and my style page, Kharyzma4u style. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all.